Delivering exceptional customer service starts with knowing who are you talking with. Our customers' data collection workflow helps you do just that by gathering essential details right at the start of the conversation. Whether it's a VIP client or returning customer with specific needs, this workflow gives your team instant context so that they can offer more personalized and efficient support. You decide exactly what data to collect, like full name, email, company, etc. And don't worry, data is only collected once, so if the customer reaches out again, we won't ask them to repeat themselves. The collected data appears directly in your inbox view, giving your human support reps full picture before they jump in. And if your rep gathers more info during the chat, it's just one click to update the customer's profile. Want to pull in additional data from your CRM? Just activate your CRM integrations under the Apps tab. All we need is the customer's email used as a unique identifier, and we'll automatically fetch their records for you. With this workflow, you're not just collecting data, you're building relationships and empowering your team to deliver world-class service from the very first message.